Good morning, Lions, and welcome to sunny and sweltering Wednesday at Linda Elementary School. Today is September 6th, and yes, it is going to be a pressure cooker today, and for the rest of the week, for that matter. I'm Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place I would rather be than right here with all of you. Well, maybe in second place would be maybe like San Diego or something like that, Pismo Beach, at the beach in the water, having a good time. But since that's not the case, I am so happy to be here with you. Teachers, thank you for getting your lunch count and attendance in. We very much appreciate that. A couple of extra announcements this week, Lions. Library books. Now, we're starting again with Linda Elementary Reads, okay? So what we're finding out here is that so far in August, last month, about half a month of school, we read 3,121 books. That's a good number of books, Lions. 4,100,000+ words for an average of 24 minutes a day. That's pretty good. So what I want you to start doing, Lions, is reading a little bit more. Read a little bit more every day, and it's all going to start adding up. This number should be moving up from 24 minutes a day to maybe next time 25, 26, 27 minutes a day. Read more, Lions. This is the key to a successful life in a lot of ways for you is going to be your ability to read. It is that important, okay? And I'll get to some other important things later on. All right. Safety, student. What are the three words of PBIS, everybody? The three words of PBIS. Ready? Respectful, responsible, safe. Excellent. Okay, now safety, I'm going to relate that to fire, but it's almost like a fire out here with the weather. It's just going to be so hot for these 3 days. In fact, I received something from the district office, the Marysville Unified School District office, that said, hey, heat advisory for the next 3 days. Warning. So it's like Will Robinson, warning, warning, warning. The lights are going off. The sirens are going off. You have to drink water, Lions. Lots and lots of water. Every time you pass by a water fountain, I was going to say you should take a drink of water, but that might be a lot of people, and that'll be a long time. But very often, you should be drinking water throughout the day. Go to the water fountain and get water. Get water, if you have to use the restroom from class, get a drink of water. You need to stay hydrated. Probably the most important element to your body is water. Right? It's probably a couple different elements, but you get the point. Water is that important, okay? So please stay hydrated. Also, if you're out on the playground, playing soccer, playing basketball, monkey bars, going up and down the slides, whatever it is, if you feel like you're getting tired or lightheaded, stop and go to the shade. Sit down next to a tree, lay down, put something underneath your head, rest. Okay, you need to do this. You need to take responsibility for yourselves. You can't wait till somebody tells you, hey, wait a minute, you're too red. It looks like you're about to faint. You can't wait for somebody else to tell you. You need to recognize the signs in your own body. Okay, so get your rest. And that's for the next 3 days because we're going to have some extreme heat. Okay, we have one roar card today. This roar card was given to Jimena in Miss Michaela's class. Jimena is always doing her best during AR. Thank you, Amanda, for doing a great job. Heart, Miss M, great job today. Birthdays today. Today is the 4th, and so we have Jackson Walton of Walton family fame, 11-year-old 5th grader in Mrs. Edwards' class. You don't need to see that. Jackson Walton, happy birthday to you. And today for our food, let's see. Believe it or not, we don't have the menu for today. That is a different menu. And so we're going to skip over that. Okay, so let's talk about a joke, Lions. So how do you make a robot angry? Just keep pushing its buttons. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and stand for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off. Hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good, Lions. So let's talk about attendance. Make sure you're here every day, Lions. Give us your best. We will give you our best. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, You missed out. Everybody knows it already. And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.